Hey guys, this is Scars13x coming at you with a video on how to play mod downloaded games free. No PlayStation Network on any of that. But this is only for the if you have software 6.20. Alright? Now let me just reset the PSP. Hold it, cut it back on. Okay. Right. Now, the best place to get all your downloads for PSP is psphacks.com. So first you need to download TN Homebrew Enabler. That'll change your software to a custom firmware, and download Prometheus ISO Loader. That's also on PSP Hacks. Now, let me just show you my system software. Version 6.20 system software. Alright. So now I'm going to go to TNC Homebrew Enabler, and this is what changes your software to custom firmware. Oops, sorry. And it'll also change theme and color and stuff like that on your background if you already have it set up. I'll make another video on how to do that. Okay, this is a custom theme. Alright, now go to system settings, system information, and you should get 6.20 TNC. Sorry about that, TNC. And if you enable it, it'll have your MAC address as well. Okay, now you go to games and you start up Prometheus ISO Loader, right? And then it'll give you a list of games that you had. If you can't read that, I'm sorry. First one says MLB 10 The Show. Next one is Fight Night Round 3, and the third is Medal of Honor Heroes 2. I'm gonna just exit and show you why you need TN Homebrew Enabler to do this. Reset the PSP, hold on to it, cut it off, cut it back on. Okay. And this brings it right back to your regular software of 6.20, 6.20, whatever you want to call it, and you should see your MAC address. Back to 6.20. Now this is the reason why you have to enable you have to download TNC Homebrew Enabler. First, it downloads and it automatically mods your PSP to a custom firmware, so you're able to download like GBA games and stuff like that, the emulator. But if you don't download that and you just download this and the Prometheus ISO Loader, you get this. It says game cannot be started, the data is corrupt, which means you can't run it on your system software. That's Sony blocking you from doing that. But when you use TN Homebrew Enabler for version 6.20 on a regular PSP, this is for the PSP FAT 1001. On PSP Hacks, it'll tell you, it'll come up on the download, it'll come up 6.20 TN-C, sorry. You open it up, you need WinZip or WinRAR, take the folder, put it to PSP on your root, on your memory stick, put it in games, it'll come up here, and then do the same thing with like a Game Boy Advance emulator or Prometheus ISO loader. Prometheus ISO loader will be the name of the file when you download on PSP Hacks. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you one game. Okay, and you have to make a ISO folder on your PSP memory stick. When you connect the USB, don't click on anything, just make a new folder, call it ISO in all caps, and this is where you'll be putting all your CSO ISO format files. So you load it up and you click on any game you want. So for instance, I want to play Medal of Honor, no, Fight Night Round 3, and it'll load from your memory stick. You see that red light? That's it loading from the memory stick itself. So you don't have to buy games, you don't have to go online, PlayStation Network and all that. And it runs just fine. See? And there you go. Alright, this is Scars13X. Peace.